Complete installation guide for retractable roof. Steps: unpacking. Measure the size of the profile from the middle of the pulley to the middle of the pulley at the other end. Determine the installation location of the installation bracket. Mark the installation location. Punch holes in marked positions. Hit the expansion screw into the hole with a hammer. Measure the distance between two mounting brackets. Install another installation bracket. Find the pillar anchor point. Fix the column and the base with screws. Place the columns. Screw to fix the column. Sinking connector. Connect the sink with a sliding rail. Move the sink to the column position. Connect with the column. Don't hit the screws yet. Connect the track to the mounting bracket and fix it. Pay attention to the track orientation. The rain strip should be below the inside. Next, connect the track to the sink. Another track is installed using the same method. Perform level calibration. Make sure the retractable roof bracket is level. Measurement tracking. Make sure the two tracks are parallel. After the measurement is completed, screw to fix sink and column. Screw on the base. Secure it firmly to the ground. Before installing the drive rod, first push the transmission pulley on both tracks to the end. Put the drive rod into the track. When the transmission rod is not fitted to all tracks, do not turn the transmission rod, otherwise it will cause out of sync. Out of sync will cause the belt to break. Turn the transmission rod. Turn the driving pulley out of the position of about half a meter. Push the motor into the drive lever. Pay attention to the motor position. Installed according to the position of the curtain power cord on the corresponding side. When installing the motor cover, please ensure that the two travel holes on the lid are precise alignment with corresponding stroke holes on the motor. Finally, tighten the motor cover screws. Take out the fabric. The first one on the fabric is the traction rod, hanging on the drive pulley. Let's hang the second mop pole first. Put the mop pulley into the track on both sides at the same time. Here, pay attention to the direction of the pulley. Stay parallel to the orbit. Untwisted. Hang the remaining mop rods in turn. Leave the last one hanging. Screw to fix the track seal. Next, install the first drawbar. Hang the last mop lever under the motor. Remove the control box cover. Pay attention to the wiring position of the light wire. The red light line is connected to the V+ position. The blue light line is connected to the V- position. Then connect the motor cable. Pay attention to the wiring position. Yellow, green, black, blue, brown. Put the motor cable of the corresponding color. Connect to the corresponding position of the control box. Motor wiring completed. Power on the control box. Code matching remote control. Turn on the remote. Tune to channel. Press the black button of the control box. Then press the button in the middle of the side. Press the up button to start the motor. The remote control is successfully paired. Next, debug the motor stroke. Upper hole controls roof opening stroke. Rotate the upper hole clockwise. Increase stroke by rotating the upper hole counterclockwise. Trip reduction. Lower hole controls roof closing stroke. Rotate the lower hole position clockwise. Trip increase. Rotate the lower hole counterclockwise. Trip reduction. Load motor opening pin. Prevent motor movement. Plug inserted into motor cover. Prevent water ingress. Splice the rain shield. Use screws or structural glue. Fix the rain deflector above the motor. Note that the screws should be installed on both sides. Avoid damaging the conveyor belt in the middle. Finally, tighten all the screws. Retractable roof installation completed. Retractable roof drainage principle. Rainwater runs down the slope into the front gutter, then drains away through the upright posts.